While cleaning your fire oven, it is important to use TurboChef oven cleaner. Your kit includes a bottle, trigger sprayer, and cleaning powder packets. Fill the bottle to the fill line with warm water. Pour in 1 packet of cleaning powder and shake thoroughly for 30 seconds. Allow the mixture to sit for 3 minutes before using. Step 1. Cool the oven. Press the off button to start the cooling process, which can take up to 45 minutes. Open the oven door to cool the oven off faster. Ensure the oven is completely cool before proceeding to the next step. Step 2. Remove and clean components. Unscrew the thumb screws on each side and remove the front cover. Remove the pizza screen from the oven cavity. Use oven cleaner and a scrub pad to remove buildup. Let the cleaner sit for 5 minutes if needed, then rinse with cold water and let it dry completely. Step 3. Clean the oven cavity. Using a cloth towel, remove any particles from the top and bottom of the oven cavity. Spray oven cleaner on a clean towel and clean the oven cavity. Let it sit for 5 minutes for tough buildup. Do not spray oven cleaner into the oven cavity. Wipe away the excess cleaner with a clean damp towel. Step 4. Reinstall components. Reinstall the front oven cover, securing the screws tightly. Reinstall the pizza screen. Step 5. Clean the oven exterior. Wipe down the oven exterior with a damp cloth. Follow these steps for optimal performance from your fire oven. To buy oven cleaner, visit partstown.com.